Hello, Joe Bonk back at you here. The 2010 season is going to be a fantastic earring and ring season. You're going to have these beautiful earrings. The shell earrings that I'm showing you right here, that's 144 pair of shell earrings at $1 each, a free spin rack. Absolutely beautiful. Right next to it here we have that's right, the Dreamcatcher earring rack. The Dreamcatchers come with 72 pair of Dreamcatchers at $3 each. A beautiful addition to your line. Next is the lead-free pewter earrings. Those are 38 pair at $4 a piece. That's $150, and it's a free rack that goes with that. Next to that is the shell earrings. The shell earrings come with 50 pair at $3, $150, and a free rack. Next are the rondelles. Beautiful addition to the line in your store. The rondelles, very glitzy, okay? Very bling bling. Those are 144 pair at $1 for the rondelles and a free rack. Next, we have the rings. Now the rings right here, as you see, come in assorted different styles ranging from $1.50 to $2.75. It comes with 144 on the 3-tier rack. You can get it like this, or you can get it also in the bins that I'm showing you. Rings are going to be a great addition this year in 2010. So ring, ring, ring that register with Joe Bonk Jewels.